Strawberry popcorn is the best snack you never knew you needed. First, stop buying microwave popcorn. Seriously, it's $1 a bag and full of weird chemicals. And guess what? You can make the same thing for 10 cents with just this simple bag and some popcorn kernels. And I'm gonna show you how to hack it with strawberry jelly. Just add 2 tablespoons of popcorn kernels to a plain paper bag. No oil, no nothing. Fold it over a couple times, tight enough to stay closed, but loose enough to have room to pop. Throw it in the microwave, hit the popcorn button, and you're gold. Boom, fresh popcorn. But wait, here's the best part. Add a 1/4 cup of strawberry jelly to a small glass or cup and microwave it for 30 seconds until it's liquid. Then pour it slowly into your popcorn bag and shake it all about. Bam! The most delicious, easy, sweet strawberry snack for just pennies. Try it with any jam, grape, raspberry, even apple jelly. It's so addicting and so amazing. I'm MJ from loadedpotato.org, and I make shelf-stable meals, snacks, and lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. Want more cheat codes like this? Follow me and check out loadedpotato.org for pantry-only meals, no chopping, no stress, and popcorn night for 10 cents. Dinner, snack, victory.